1953 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup. Price: $34,750. Location: Hawaii. The 1953 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup is a breathtaking example of classic American truck design that continues to capture the hearts of collectors around the world. Finished in a beautiful pastel green exterior and complemented by a warm brown interior, this vintage pickup delivers the perfect combination of style, history, and character. At first glance, its iconic 5-window cab immediately sets it apart from ordinary classic trucks. The exterior showcases many period-correct features that make this Chevrolet truly unforgettable. Chrome bumpers gleam under the sunlight, while the signature striped grille gives the front end a bold and timeless appearance. The steel wheels wrapped in classic white-wall tires add a touch of elegance, and the wooden bed floor reminds enthusiasts of an era when craftsmanship mattered as much as performance. The heart of this classic truck is its dependable inline-six engine paired with a 4-speed floor-shift manual transmission. This combination offers an authentic driving experience that takes you back to the golden age of American motoring. The single-barrel carburetor, single exhaust system, and 4-wheel drum brakes preserve the truck's originality while highlighting the engineering that made Chevrolet a household name. The cabin is a nostalgic masterpiece filled with vintage charm. A comfortable brown vinyl bench seat welcomes occupants, while the split windshield and curved rear quarter windows create a distinctive look rarely seen on modern vehicles. Additional highlights include dual side mirrors, body side steps, and a retro-style radio that perfectly complements the truck's classic atmosphere. The 5-window configuration is one of the most sought-after features among collectors because it improves visibility while giving the truck a unique and recognizable silhouette. Every angle of this Chevrolet tells a story of hard work, American innovation, and a time when pickup trucks were built to last for generations. It is a vehicle that attracts attention wherever it goes. The engine is currently operational, offering a solid foundation for enthusiasts looking to preserve or further restore this automotive treasure. While additional work may be required to make it fully road-ready, the truck presents a rare opportunity to own a genuine piece of Chevrolet history. For collectors, restorers, and classic truck fans alike, this 1953 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup is a remarkable find that combines vintage appeal with incredible potential. The opportunity to own a truck like this does not come around often. With its stunning color combination, iconic design, and rich heritage, this Chevrolet stands as a symbol of an unforgettable era in American automotive history. Whether displayed at car shows, added to a private collection, or restored to cruising condition, this classic pickup is sure to impress for years to come.